This is a drawing from FreeHand11. Adobe bought and killed this software. You need Adobe Illustrator CS6 or older to open it. Newer versions drop support. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find a way to open it. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens FH11, files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The FH11 file extension is associated with Macromedia FreeHand11, a vector graphics editor used for creating illustrations, logos, and page layouts. It stores vector-based images, text, and object properties, allowing for scalable and editable artwork. FreeHand11 was a popular tool for graphic designers before its discontinuation. The FH11 file format is a proprietary format developed by Macromedia. It stores vector data using a structured format that includes information about paths, fills, strokes, text, and other graphical elements. The format supports layers, symbols, and styles, enabling complex designs and efficient editing workflows. It is not easily compatible with modern vector editing software. The common standard viewer for FH11 is typically FreeHand11 from Macromedia, Adobe. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows cannot interpret layered compositions fully, so professional tools are needed. Start by right-clicking the FH11 file and selecting Open with Test Freehand. 11 first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some FH11 files are very particular about the opener. If your FH11 file will not open yet, do not panic. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, use Freehand. Open the file using Macromedia Adobe Freehand, the required application for the vector drawing. Next, use Illustrator. Open the file using Adobe Illustrator, which supports importing freehand files. Finally, convert to AI SVG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal format like AI or .svg. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.